Hi everyone. A couple of days ago I made a stir fry with beef, veggies, and some white rice. I'm getting a little tired of eating that after a couple of days, so I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to kind of repurpose the leftovers and make fried rice. So first thing I'm going to do is take my rice and I'm going to break it up a little bit since it's all kind of stuck together from being in the fridge. Alright, I think that's pretty good. So my wok is pretty hot now. I'm going to add my oil. Couple of tablespoons. Yeah, it's a little much, but it's all right. Get the wok nice and coated, and then I'm gonna add my rice. Get that all mixed in with all the oil. So I put so much in at the start, I'm not going to have to add any more. Sometimes I'll drizzle a little more over the top. You see any more big clumps, break those up. Now you want your wok pretty hot, but not smoking, so keep an eye on the heat. And just keep kind of constantly stirring it. You don't want it to stick to the bottom or burn, but now since I'm doing all of this with leftovers, I'm going to cook my rice almost all the way and then add the veggies. But if I was doing this with fresh veggies and just making fried rice from scratch, I'd probably cook the veggies first, remove those, then cook the rice, and then add the veggies back in. So once the rice has been cooking for a couple of minutes, start to season it a little. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of white rice wine vinegar. And a little bit of soy sauce. Now I might season this a little bit more if the veggies weren't already stir-fried and coated in sauce, but since all of that sauce is going to get mixed into here too, I'm going to leave this the way it is. It's going to make a little well in the rice. Now I've been using a slotted spoon. You don't necessarily have to, but that's going to let me pull the veggies and the meat out of here while leaving some of the sauce behind. Give you a little more control over the amount of sauce you're adding so it doesn't get as liquidy. Since it's been in the fridge, I'm going to heat this up a little before I mix it in with the rice. Alright. Now let's let this cook for another couple minutes just to cook some of the moisture out. All right, I think we're done. Time to eat.